Passive income is a very popular subject, and for good reasons. Whether you want more money for security reason or to pay off credit card debts or student loans, or if you just want to improve your lifestyle, it's very appealing. And it's also access to building massive wealth. But when you start, it's not easy to know who to trust. There's no shortage of scams all over the internet. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 passive income ideas so that'll put you on the path to your financial freedom. So my first passive income idea is creating a YouTube channel. Now, what's exciting about YouTube is that they share the ad revenue with the creator. The creator gets 55% and they keep 45% for themselves. So if you have a passion or a skill set or a great personality, YouTube offers you a global stage with over 2 billion users on a monthly basis and an estimated $5.5 billion in ad revenue in the US alone in 2020. So a piece of that pie could be yours. The heart of passive income is working once and getting paid multiple times or overtime. I am still making enough money to pay bills from videos I produced 4 years ago on my channel. What it takes to be successful on YouTube, aka earning passive income, is a lot of work. But if you're willing to learn the skills, do the work, be patient, and specifically be consistent, you can earn great passive income with a YouTube channel. My second passive income idea is affiliate marketing. What's exciting about affiliate marketing is it's so simple to get started, and most companies make it easy for you to get a link in minutes. Plus, transactions and payments are automated and no out-of-pocket expenses for you. So it's not a big surprise that affiliate marketing is one of the most popular passive income source for a lot of people. And it's another way that you can replace your traditional income over time. So once you figured out what's the right fits for you, it's time to promote them on your YouTube channel or your blog or your website, in your email campaigns, and even on your online course, or all of the above. And another way to maximize the benefits of affiliate marketing is by creating an ad on social media and taking people to your own landing page. The thing that makes the difference in how much money you can earn with affiliate marketing is, one, how much research you do upfront to find the most profitable commissions, and two, how often and consistently you promote those links. My third passive income idea is to create an online course. There are things that you know how to do that you think are so simple that anybody could do it. But the truth is, it's not that simple for everybody. People will pay to learn how to do things, whether it's related to business or gardening or fitness. It doesn't matter. The question is, can you take people through a step-by-step method so it makes it easy for them? If you can build an online course. Now, there is work to do upfront, like with any passive income idea. This one is no different. You have to design the structure of the course, you have to write the script, you have to shoot the videos, edit the videos, and make them available for purchase. Once you're ready to go, there are two choices you need to make. One is, how much do you charge for the course? The price of the course is dependent on the value you provide. And I have a couple of friends of mine that are selling their course for $47 and they're selling like hotcakes. And I've been hearing that high-priced courses have been a lot more difficult to sell lately. And whatever price you decide for your course, make sure to do your homework so you don't undercharge or overcharge for the value it provides. And two is how to host and market the course. The answer likely depends on whether or not you already have an audience or a database of people that have been following you for a while, and also how much time you're willing to spend on marketing. You can host your online course on a ready-to-use system like Thinkific, but you will have to do all the marketing yourself. Or you can host your online course on a system like Udemy and they will do the marketing for you, but you will only get a smaller commission. My fourth passive income idea is running a blog. Again, there is work involved with creating a blog, but you'll have the ability to work once, create a blog once, and get paid multiple time over time. And if you have a natural way with words, this could be a great option for you, especially if you don't have access to video editing or if you don't want to be in front of the camera. Now, there are many kinds of blogs and blogs on just about every topic you can think of. Educational, personal, business, travel, or a special niche. I mean, you can name it. There is a blog on just about every single topic you can think of. So how do you make money with a blog and make it passive? You could add affiliate links on your blogs to products you actually recommend. You could also promote and add links to your own online course. And once your blog becomes popular, you could be making passive income with Google Ads and banner ads. My fifth passive income idea is print on demand. If you have a creative flair and you have basic skills with graphic design, that could be a low-hanging fruit for you. All you have to do is create a design and upload it to a system like Teespring or TeePublic, and they'll do everything else for you. They'll print it, package it, and ship it. They'll even handle the transaction, and once everything is done, they'll pay you your cut. You'll get an email that a sale was made, and next thing you'll know, you'll have money in your account. Simple enough, right? Let me share my experience. I recently created a design for a t-shirt that I wanted. So I created a design and I uploaded it. I bought mine and I bought one for my brother. So you can imagine my surprise when I started to get emails that my t-shirt was actually selling. I made 14 sales and earned $27 without even trying. I just wanted a funny t-shirt. What if I actually marketed it or told my friend or created an ad on social media to market it? And what if I made more designs? This one just took me 10 minutes to create. And by the way, I'm not even a graphic designer. I think you can see how easy it is to make passive income with print on demand. Now, whatever choice is right for you, or whichever idea you want to go after, make sure to do a little front up work so you can earn the rewards down the road. Now, I recommend that you watch this video next. Please hit the like button if you got value. And if you have any comments or any ideas for passive income, please make sure to put them in the comments below. And until next time, ciao.